back. We're gonna keep building, as I always say. Definitely gonna keep building. So I got some parts here. I'm gonna build this back fire escape. Grief, excuse me. So let's put this one here. Right. And then this one goes like that. This one goes like that. That goes there. That goes there. This goes, yeah, just like that. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna put a couple of windows on here. Like that. And then I'm going to take this piece and stick it right there. I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to pop that in there, just like that. And if you look down inside here, you can see where it's been put into. And two little connectors down there with that bar. We'll put this right here for a second. What's the next thing I want to do? Oh, I'm going to put my, these. This one like this. And like that. And then, okay. Alright, so now we're going to take this, and like I said, oop, I'm going to put it right there, just like that. So that's why I couldn't put that one of these here, a 1x4 there, because I had a wire escape which is going to connect to it. Okay. And now we're going to do this. I'm going to put these two together, and that's going to go whoop, like that. Okay. I also need 4 of these things. I have to put them together like this. So you want that outward. And they're going to go one. Like that. This is going to go like that. And this is going to go here. Like that. This one is going to do the same. Just going to put it right there. There's obviously a reason why they're putting this like this. Probably find out in the next few videos how that's going to work. Okay, so now I had to kind of do something a little bit strange, but you'll see what I'm doing here. So whenever you're in a pinch for parts, I can improvise. So I'm going to put these 4 together just like this. And I'm going to put this together, make sure that's straight. So that's straight. We're going to put this like this. And then that's going to go like that. That's going to go like that. And then no one will know that I didn't have the right blocks. And there you go. And then this will go right here. And I forgot I need another one of these 1x4s. So bear with me for just a second. Ah, yes. All right, and I need to put that there. And bingo. And there you go, see? And even though I didn't have all the parts I needed to build the elevator, you're not going to see it because I figured out how to put it together without having that problem. Alright, so this is the last video of the evening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. If you like my videos, please like them. That's how I get recognition from YouTube. Thank you for watching.